Okay, so good morning. Yeah, I'm still trying to get my shit together. Oh, maybe I wasn't supposed to cuss, but I don't know. But anyway, the female cardinal, like, I was sound asleep. I was woke up at midnight, doing my meditations, and I met what was sent to me. Um, Sent everything back with love, of course. Um, we're never alone, but the meaning of the cardinal is a really good sign that everything's going to be okay. And it's from the loved ones passed over. You ever been woke by a female cardinal? I haven't, but I was at 8 a.m. this morning. Go look it up for yourself. God bless.